In this video, I will show you how to calculate retirement date based on a birth date in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some employee birth dates in this column. Now I want to calculate the retirement date of these employees using their birth dates. To do that, we can use the EDATE function. The EDATE function adds the specified number of months to a date. Here is the syntax of the EDATE function. This function accepts two arguments, a valid Excel date and a number of months. For example, this EDATE formula will add 1 month to the specified date, while this EDATE formula will add 6 months to the specified date. To add years to a date using the EDATE function, we can multiply the year value by 12. For example, this EDATE formula will add 1 year to the specified date, while this EDATE formula will add 10 years to the date. Let's assume that the retirement age for all the employees is 60 years. I am going to add 60 years to the birth date of these employees to calculate the retirement date for each employee. Let's type an equal sign to start the formula. Now type EDATE followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the employee's birth date as the first argument. Type a comma and then type 60 into 12 as the second argument because we want to add 60 years. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the retirement date for all the employees. Instead of getting the full retirement date, we can also get the retirement year only. To do that, we need to use the year function. The year function returns the year of the specified date. I am going to pass the retirement date as the argument of the year function to get the retirement year of an employee like this. As you can see, we now have the retirement years for all the employees. We can also calculate the remaining years for the employee's retirement. To do that, I am going to add one more column at the end. To calculate the years remaining for retirement, I am going to use the year_frac function to calculate the difference in years between today's date and employee's retirement date. The year_frac function returns the fraction of the years between two dates. To get the years remaining till the retirement date from today, I am going to specify the today function as the first argument and the retirement date as the second argument of the year_frac function like this. As you can see, we now have the remaining years till retirement for all the employees. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.